Posted by 4 Shits and Giggles. Question: Crazy lady took a picture of my license plate after I flipped her off. Can she do anything? Driving back to work from lunch, on a high-speed access road, this lady pulls out in front of me and my husband right into our lane and practically slams on the brakes. We honk and have to slam on our brakes before swerving around her just to avoid rear-ending her. Of course we are upset that we almost had an accident, thanks to this lady's stupidity. We flip her off and yell profanities, and she flips us off in return, but that is the extent of our road rage. We didn't get out of the car, we don't even have any weapons. Nothing physical happened to either car or any persons. She then takes out her phone and takes a picture of our license plate. Can she actually report anything with our license plate that would lead to us be charged with anything? She has no evidence of physical road rage because there was none. Just gestures and yelling. Posted by Jim0R. The worst thing that could happen to you is you get a knock on your door from an officer asking questions about what happened. You're under no obligation to answer their questions, so just be polite, smile and say nothing. There's such a slim chance a cop would ever follow up something so loose though, because it's a he said/she said thing and they don't want to waste their time for a case that's going nowhere fast. Posted by The Real Platypus. With situations like this, people think if they take a picture of a license plate and tell the police a story, that's all it is, a story, they have this amazing power of wrecking your life. It's stuff like this that makes me want to get a dashcam. Posted by Stephsational30. I'm not exactly sure, but I don't think so unless you hit her car. I hope not anyway, because something similar happened to me. I was driving on a highway and a guy was sitting in my back driver's side corner, my blind spot. I knew he was there and I was signaling to switch into his lane and he wasn't letting me in, so I forced my way in. I don't play games. I didn't hit him or anything, but when I got off my exit he followed me. At the red light he pulled up next to me, beeped and showed me he was a firefighter. I gave him a thumbs up, BC I don't really care, and then got behind me and made it very obvious he was writing down my plate number and stuff. This was about 2 or 3 months ago and nothing has happened yet. Edit: I live in New York and firefighters and cops are very close-knit, so I feel like if something were to happen or I broke some law, the cops would have been knocking on my door within hours.